Tonight I am in London. As you can see behind me is Canary Wharf, and just over there is the O2, and we're going to be filming Canary Wharf. We've got a narrow corridor we can fly legally in from here over to Canary Wharf. We can't go over the bridge into the actual wharf itself in between the buildings. Well, as long as we stay this side, then we're absolutely fine. When I say we, I'm with Justin from Drone Horizons. He's over there somewhere feeding seagulls. And after we've done this, we're going to be going to Tower Bridge and hopefully getting some drone shots there as well with it all lit up. It's a little bit nippy, so we're not going to hang around for long, and just stay with us and see what we get up to. This has got to be one of the most futuristic skylines in the world. But if you'd been standing here just a few decades ago, you would have seen a wasteland, left to rot. For over a century, the West India docks were a buzzing centre of Britain's maritime trade. But then came the 1960s and a revolution in global shipping, containerisation. The huge new ships couldn't navigate the tight waterways. The industry moved downstream, and by 1980 the docks fell silent. The idea behind Canary Wharf is a long story that I can't cover here, but even the building of it had its own problems and faced financial ruin on several occasions. Today, Canary Wharf, so called because of its original shipping links with the Canary Islands, is transforming into a 24/7 neighbourhood with residential towers, schools and parks. Okay, so we've filmed Canary Wharf and now we're going off to Tower Bridge, so come with us. It's this way, apparently. I knew that. I mean, you couldn't make it up really, could you? No. We come all the way to Tower Bridge and there's a bulb out. I've since found out that the reason why one of the towers is in darkness isn't because somebody forgot to flick the switch. It apparently signifies that the bridge is under maintenance and that it may not be fully operational. We just couldn't believe it. After all the planning we'd done into this trip up into London, we didn't even think about seeing if the tower Bridge was actually going to be alight.
So it means we'll probably have to go back again, but in the meantime, just enjoy all the lights and the scenery of Tower Bridge at night. Thank you for watching.